Hey, good morning, guys. So I'm very sorry I couldn't tell you the procedure while being at the airport because honestly speaking, I forgot. So I'm currently in the hotel and I'm going to tell you the procedure, what you have to do, what you don't have to do in the airport. So firstly, you have to reach 2 hours prior. I'll show you some clips in between, so you can refer to that. Another thing, in the check-in area, you have to get your baggage checked and all, everything is like that. So there's a 15 kg limit for the domestic one. I have no other, I don't know about the others. So the 15 kg limit is there, and one baggage per person because of COVID. I don't know why. So secondly, we had to stand in a queue to get our face shields. So the face shield is mandatory in the flight, and the people who is sitting between the in the middle seats of the aisle seat and the window seat, they have to wear a PP kit. So the flights, they themselves are providing that. So luckily I got the aisle seat, so I didn't have to wear the PP kit. I just wore the face shield and I had to wear my mask. And they are serving food in the flight, like Maggie sandwiches and all, so it's fine. And after getting down from the flight, I had to get out of the airport very casually. Took the luggage from the bell too, and that's about it. There was not very much restrictions, but let me tell you guys, if you guys are scared or anything about crowds and all, let me tell you, let me warn you guys, there are a lot of people in the airport. Like, a lot of people are there. So if you get freaked out easily or anything, I am telling you, I'm giving you this fair warning. There is a lot of people in the airport. I'll show you the clips now. You guys can see and judge it yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. So currently I am sitting near the boarding gates. The time is around 11:08 at the moment, and there was a huge queue in both the places to enter the airport as well as for the check-in. So flight is at around 12:25 and I'm waiting for it. I'll get in the flight and I'll show you the ambience. There is no social distancing as anything. This is the queue for the boarding. Sad.